On a cold winter morning in Andy's room, Woody and Buzz Lightyear woke up to find everything covered in a sparkling blanket of snow. The toys were thrilled, but soon they realized that some of their friends were missing. Jessie, Rex, and Hamm had been accidentally left outside in the yard during last night's snowfall. Without hesitation, Woody put on a tiny cowboy scarf, and Buzz activated his frost mode. Together, they formed a rescue team. They built a sled from Lego blocks and raced through the icy floor, dodging snowflakes that fell from the windowsill. As they reached the yard, they saw their friends trapped in a snow mound. Buzz used his laser to melt the ice gently while Woody pulled them free with his trusty string. The toys cheered as they made it back safely to the warm room. That night, they all sat around a lamp campfire, sharing stories of their brave winter adventure. Woody smiled and said, "Even in the coldest times, friendship keeps us warm."